Okay, so in this video we will start with the simulation of DC motor for different load conditions. Okay, so for that we require some blocks. Okay, so go to Simulink library browsers. Okay, so there search for a DC machine. Okay, so DC machine. So here you will get a DC machine. Okay, so add this block to your project. Okay, so here, so after that search for the DC voltage source. Okay, DC voltage source. Okay, so add the DC voltage source to the project. Okay, DC voltage source, add block. Okay, so after that search for the step signal. Okay, step signal, so add the step signal to a project. Okay, this one, add block. Okay, so after that search for the display. Okay, so display will get in the sinks. Okay, sinks, add the add block. Okay, and add the scope block. Okay, after that search for the bus selector. Okay, so bus selector, add the bus selector to the project. Okay, so after that go add a block, gain block. Okay, so add gain block. Okay, so after gain block search for the sum block. Okay, so we will get a sum block. So this one, add block. Okay, so last one, search for power GUI. Okay, add the power GUI block. Okay, okay, so after that take the DC voltage source here and rotate that one, control R. Okay, so positive negative like this. Okay, control R, control. Okay, so positive connect it to the field winding. Okay, so negative to the this side. Okay, so and take again another one DC voltage source, connect it to the armature winding. Okay, like this. So after this connection take the bus selector. Okay, so connect it to measurement terminal. Okay, double click on that. Here select the speed. Okay, and remove these two, signal 1 and signal 2. Remove signal 2, remove. Okay, so add the speed. Okay, so after that current. Okay, current and torque. Okay, so select these three and click on OK. Okay, so here you will get a three measurements from the motor. Okay, so after that take a scope block. Okay, so double click on that, go to settings. So here number of axis, make it as 3. Okay, click on OK and close. So after that enlarge the scope. Okay, so here take the gain block, place it here. Okay, so make the connections. So speed connection. Okay, so after that the armature current. Okay, after that one torque. Okay, so these three are connected with the scope block. Okay, so now double click on the gain block. So here the value must be 60 divided by 2 into pi. Okay, 60 divided by 2 to pi. Okay, so this is the value of the gain and click on OK. So you can see here the value given to the gain. Okay, okay, so now take the display block. Okay, so take the display block, double click on that. Okay, so here decimation, make it as a 3. Okay, okay, so take the display block 3 times. Okay, so for display one connect it to the speed. Okay, so then this one connected to the current. Okay, and this one is connected to the torque. Okay, name it as a speed. Okay, and this one current, this one torque. Okay, So after that, take the step block, okay, and the sum block, okay. So here step block, give it a name as t is equal to 0 seconds, okay. So copy it to 4 times, okay. So here it must be value 3, okay, 3 seconds. Here 5 seconds, and here 10 seconds, okay, like this, okay. So after this, double click on the DC machine, okay. So preset module, okay, here select the 5 HP, okay, 5 HP 240 volts, okay, select this one, click on OK, okay. So after this, click on DC source, okay, make it as a 300 and then click on OK, okay. So this value must be 240 volts, okay, 240 volts. The field voltage must be 240 volts. The armature must be no, field winding voltage must be 300 volts, and armature winding voltage must be 240 volts, okay. Click on OK.